Hello guys, this is Marian Bulangis Besarolona macaroni guys. Filipino macaroni. Yan guys. Dahil birthday ngayon ng anak ko guys at Mr. ko yan guys, macaroni. Yan guys. Yan guys, ito yung macaroni na nabawasan na. Macaroni yan guys. Kunin ko yung ano guys, wait guys. Macaroni guys, yan guys. Macaroni. Yan guys. Macaroni salad. Macaroni salad. Ito naman guys. Ito guys. Ice cream macaroni. Ice cream macaroni ang tawag dito guys. Yan guys. Ice cream macaroni. Yan. Ice cream macaroni.